Hello. Decided to do a little crafting video showing a story play kit I'm doing with Ali Edwards products. I did print some photos of my sister's cats to do the cat story, and I kind of show how I did that in Canva. I will add it to this video. But today we're going to be talking about my sister's cats. When she first had her first two cats, we went to the shelter nearby and kind of helped her pick out her cats. So I thought it would be nice to document them. So I had her send me some photos, 5 things she loves about each of them, and then talk about them. This cat was the one I picked. His name, and then I picked his name too. His name is Marley. Unfortunately, both the kitties, Abigail and Marley, passed away just due to old age already. She had them for many years. They're like her little babies. So yeah, thought to give them a little space in my journal. Afterwards, I told her she should adopt another kitty so she doesn't feel lonely. So that's where Beetlejuice comes into play. And oh my god, he's such a cutie. He's like, what do they call those? Like tuxedo cat? So dang cute. She tells me he's very rambunctious in a way. Like very playful, animated, talkative, but very cute. So I'm just cutting this out quick, the things I printed from Canva. I realized that to be able to print borderless, I can only achieve it on my laptop. I thought I could print on my iPad like that, but it didn't work. So this is some of the kit. So we're gonna open my daily journal, and I actually did one for Rex. Let me show you quick. I saw Ali Edwards posted on her Instagram already. This is the story play week for the cats and dogs story play kit. So I'll link it below for you guys if anyone's interested. Let's see. Where is my Rexy? Here. This was the what I made for Rex. I love how it came out. He's so funny. This is using the dog story play kit. So let's see if I have something behind it for her cats. No space here. Okay, I can use this space. So this is part of like the kit components. Came with some chipboard. Let me see if I have that in focus. And this one. And then the same for the doggies. That'd be cute if you have like a little Boston Terrier. Okay, let me close the door. And then it came with some journal cards. This was the doggy one. So I could always incorporate this into, I did like, I have a, I don't know if I call it Project Life binder, like pockets. Look how cute the little stamps are. So I could always incorporate these cards into it when I'm talking about Rex. Or even mention her cats. Okay, these are the things I printed. Came with this cute little sticker sheet. I love this. Oh my god, these are on vellum. I already used up most of the dog one. So I'm going to save that because I love it so much. But we're going to be using the kitty cat one. And then again, with this 6x8 comes in the kit, you could use it in your album as well. So let's see. I probably will just do one spread for her kitties. Let me see. Let's see how big this goes. Let's see what I want to do. I'll probably achieve the same kind of thing. So I'll tear out this piece. And this maybe, I have that new Justin Bieber song stuck in my head. I've been loving his album. Baby, good job, you come. Okay. Kitties. Let's see how it looks like this. Beetlejuice. I love this one of them too, Abby and Marley. They're the ones that already passed away. I love how the paper peeks out behind it. Let me know how you guys are doing. What have you been up to? Work has been super crazy for me. So just trying to take it day by day. My mom is also getting gonna do a surgery soon, so I've been involved with that. Let me know how you're doing. What have you been crafting with or on? Like, what have you been working on? I've been here and there crafting. Sometimes I have the motivation and sometimes I'm just so spent. What shows have you been watching or movies? Let me know. Okay, so we did this. Do we want to add? Yes, I want to add this stamp because I already know how it's gonna look. I like to move slow, a little faster, a little faster. I love this ink Tillamook from Ali Edwards. It's like a really nice orange. I use it on my dog spread as well. So I kind of want this to go over the edge. So cute. Okay. Do I want something else? Well, I kind of want to write first. I told her to send me the 5 things about her cat. So, how do we give homage to their names? We're gonna get a stamp. Using this one, also from Ali. So, let's get this. And this is Marley, my baby Marley. Marley. He was cute and lovable. I miss him. You could like hold him and he would just sink into your arms. Very chill cat. I love the name because I love Bob Marley. And it just suited him. His personality so well. Marley. I'm like always nervous I'll misspell it. Marley. And we'll say it like that. Hey, Marley. Poor babies. Marley. Then we have Abby. How long have I had you guys here? Okay. Then we have Abby. Abigail, but we're gonna say Abby because that's what we will call her. She was a little more feisty. She gave bite back, like not bite, but she was more feisty and more to herself. She didn't really like people like picking her up. Abby. Now Beetlejuice's name is very long, so I have heard my sister call him Beetle. Let me see how I could fit this. I think I helped her with this name too for Beetlejuice because she loves Beetlejuice, my sister, and I told her, why don't you name him Beetlejuice? But not the way that's normal, the way that was on his tombstone in the movie, because it's like different. And oh my god, the persona that Beetlejuice has with that one, with that way of saying his name. The funniest thing, it suits this cat too. The personality. Oh my god, it's just so funny how it works out. I think it's EUSE. Hopefully. U SE. Hopefully I have it right. Are you with me? And then Beetlejuice. He's a quirky cat. And talks and talks and talks. Meow, 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 meow. All day. Okay. Done with that. We can close this up. And Cuddly, oh my god, that's Marley for sure. My baby. Cutie patootie. Abby. We could put Beetlejuice weird. He's so funny. She tells me he has a very quirky personality. So hopefully she doesn't get offended. Her, she's very quiet. Well, you know what we can put here? Cat lady. My sister is a cat lady. They love dogs, obviously, but she's definitely a cat lady. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, so now we're gonna look at our phone for what she sent me. Abby. Oop, I put, oh, she puts it EY. I put IE. It's okay. So this was September 1, 2006. Beetlejuice's birthday is March 11, 2022. Marley was, because they were brother and sister. Yeah, I remember that. They were from the same litter. And then their passing day, I remember it was him first, poor guy. Yeah, when they passed, I started telling my sister, you know, get another cat. I know it's very, very sad. Okay. So we love that. Marley. Oh, my baby. Oh. Okay. 1. Sweet. Loving. 3. Affectionate. 4. Loved and bonded with Abby. 5. Snuggled with Jenny. That's my sister. Loved catnip. Loved catnip. Yeah, they will go crazy. Okay, if Jenny loved when she was sad. Okay, Abby. Loved and bonded with Marley. Always followed her brother. Sweet. Gentle. Loved being brushed. Loved her tail. Being pet. And Mr. Beetle. Where do I write this? Funny. Talkative. Goofy. You see? This cat is funny. Social. Scared of sneezes. She said he's like jumpy. Loves toys. And belly rubs. So cutie. So now that I have this filled, I want to add another orange stamp. Kind of want to bring this here in the city. Maybe we could try to look. So cute. Do I want to bring it anywhere else? I think that's good. Oh, wrong thing. Hello. Putting it like down over there. That's my spread. I will bring it up for you. Now link below the products I use. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. You know, if you pick up this kit, definitely have fun with it and document your furry animals. Till we see each other next time. Take care of yourself and hope you enjoyed.